welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday. It's pretty darn cool. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button because you're gonna want to see this often. Or, you know, Thursday and Sunday. Is that often? It's not really that often. Anywhoozle. Typically we open some things, try some things out, see how things work, and today is gonna fall into one of those categories. I received my Boxycharm and I figured I'd go ahead and open it with you guys since I have some time. I'm excited. I kind of want to see what's in it. I have not had any time to see any other reviews or see any happenings, what's going on or anything like that about what other people have gotten, so this will be kind of fun. We're gonna open this together and see what's what. If you are new to Boxycharm, I have just the base box, so it's a monthly beauty subscription service, and you can do month to month, every I think 3 months, 6 months, yearly. I do the yearly, so it's like I get a box for free, kind of, not really, but kind of, but it averages out to be like less than 25 bucks a month, which is pretty cool since I've been getting some pretty nice stuff in my boxes. I don't hate it, so we're gonna keep on with this until I don't like it. But yeah, I'll leave more details in the description down below per usual. But let's go ahead and get to opening this. Also per usual, they're beautiful boxes. I absolutely love their color. They're plain, they're black, they have the logo. It just speaks to my soul, you know? Yes. And of course inside it says hello Charmer, and then it says at Boxycharm. I'm pretty sure they're like on all social media platforms, and then hashtag Boxycharm. And the inside of the box is pink. I think depending on if you get like the premium, the ultra, the luxe, the deluxe, the super size, like depending on the box you get, the inside color changes. But this is just the Boxycharm base box. And oh, that's so cute. Look at the little card. Oh, BT-dubs, it's May. Think about it for a second. It's May. So this is our Boxycharm box theme for the month of May, and it's flowerish. It throws me off because there's flowers and it says flourish, so I want to say flower-ish. I mean, like, if you are flowers and you flourish, are you flowerish? Or are you just typically flowerish and you flourish, you flourish? I don't know. Anywhoozle, they send you this cute little card with the box, and on the back it gives you a rundown of all the items that you've received in your box that month, along with the theme, of course, on the front, which is really cute. Happy Mom's Day this month as well. I'm assuming that's what we're all going for, because I believe, did I get something already? Because I believe my Birch box, which was my first subscription box of the month that I received, also did like a flowery theme, so we'll see how this goes. My card looks a little short this month. Normally it like goes all the way through, but there's like a little gap down here, so maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now everything's in here, so let's take a look. Yeah. All right, here's the box, and yeah, it's pretty thin this month. Normally it's like bits and pieces everywhere, but okay. Nothing I recognize right off the bat, so we'll just go by the card, go down the list, and see what I got. Yeah. Okay, the first item I think I did pick. It is from Tarte. It's the Tape Shape Glow Wand. Glow Wand? $27? Glow Wand? You're not it. You're it. Glow Wand? I thought it was just tape shape. Okay, what's a glow wand? Also, fun facts, the card gives you little fun facts about the products you get. So, instant eye lift in a tube, sheer liquid brighteners, let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow, using a diamond complex that delivers a soft focus finish. Includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. Oh, I don't think I've seen you. And I got the shade Sunbeam. I've not seen this before, but I got the shade Sunbeam. If I can open this. If it will open. I don't know if this is actually my, like, a concealer shade. And I say that. I opened the wrong side. I say that pretty often. but it's rare that I'm correct about that. I mean, maybe. It looks lighter than my skin, at least in the viewfinder and in my mirror. So, I don't know. And it's a pretty, I mean, they're all full size, but it's pretty big for being a concealer. And then, how does this, it's a little sponge, but how do I get to it? Oh, I just pop off. Oh, that's pretty nice. We are dense. Oh, and it does pop out. That's cute. Like, in case I want to wash it. I like that. That is adorbs. Sunbeam. I mean, I already have makeup on right now, or I'd try it out. Oh, that's cute, though. I like this. And how much were you? $27? Considering I paid like 20, let's round to like 24, 25 bucks for this box. Just this item by itself that I am unable to close paid for my subscription, or made my subscription worth it for the month, I think. Just because I like this item right off the bat. I'm gonna use this, so it's gonna sit out here on my desk. Just saying. $27. The next item is from BEEKMAN, 1802-1802. 10180. Okay. It is a dewy eyed illuminating and depuffing eye serum. What? Dewy eyed illuminating and depuffing eye serum. $42, whatever you are, from BEEKMAN. Is that you? Yeah. Huh. What? Okay. Depuffs and fights dark circles with goat milk, colostrum, and milk probiotic. So if you're lactose intolerant, like a couple of my kids are, you should probably not use this. Huh. It says, say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highlighty, concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. Still kind of creeps me out that this has like milk in it. I like your packaging though, like whatever you are. Quickly absorbs into the skin for hydrating relaxation that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. So we're not actually taking any of that away, we're just helping the appearance of the puffiness and dark circles for $42. Okay. Alright, so thick plastic, and then it's a bag. Whatever's in here better not bite me. Oh. You're so little. For $42. And we're this little? Okay. I guess. Apply a pea-sized amount under the eye, on eyelids, and around orbital bones every morning and evening to look and feel refreshed. Okay. It's lit. I mean, I guess if we're just using a pea-sized amount, that's still only gonna last me, like, if I do it morning and afternoon, if I remember every day. It might last a month, you never know. But that's odd. You have this, and it goes inside this little canvasy bag, and then we go back inside this plastic box. Okay, all right. Odd, but all right. BEEKMAN 1802, or I don't know what you call it, but cool. Leaping Bunny certified. $42 for that little, I mean, it might do amazing things though. I don't know. Next, we have something from LAVISH. It is Essential Eye Collection. Oh, okay, I get it. For $30. It's a new launch from the Essential Eye Collection. It contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. Cute. I don't think I have any brushes that are like this color. They're pretty. I mean, your little bag is odd, but it's pretty. Oh, we are soft. A little bit of everything. I like how soft these are. Ooh, and I like this one right here. I don't think I have a brush like this yet. Not that you can see it against my super pasty skin, but that's pretty cool. I love my puffy, fluffy brushes. I'm just combining words and making new words today. We're doing good. And these are $30. I'm pretty sure I have stuff from Lavish. Maybe not. But that's pretty cool. I'm interested in trying these. I love brushes. You can never have too many brushes. Ever. I love them. That's pretty cute. 30 bucks though. We'll see. We will see. Then we have something from DRYBAR. It is a Hot Today Heat Protectant Mist. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Retails for $27. Huh. So, oh, that's cute. It's called Hot Toddy. And I do love a lot of the products from DRYBAR. I have, goodness, how many of the dry shampoos? They're kind of like my favorite dry shampoo to use. I have a few, like I have a huge one from Amika, and I have like 500 of the little baby ones from DRYBAR. But I like the way the ones from DRYBAR make my hair feel, so I wonder if this heat protectant mist will be a little bit better. I don't know, we'll see. And it's a full-size one too, so I'm not going to be able to stash it away in a tiny drawer somewhere. I'm going to actually have to set this out next to my heat tools. Not that I really do anything to my hair anyway. It kind of just does what it wants lately with the pandemic still going on. Free range is kind of my deal. But that's cool. I'm interested in trying that for $27. It's a good thing I got it in here. The last item in my Boxycharm box is something from TYNT Beauty. HAZE Smoky Eye Pencil. I can't read today. That's okay. It's like not much different from any other day, right? This is little, and it's $18, which is not bad. It says achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil, a unique formula that allows for you to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or a or a beauty sponge. I'm just gonna stop trying to read today. Thank goodness this is the last item we have, because this wasn't working out well. Pinot Noir is the color, I'm assuming. Oh, I should probably show you the packaging before I tear this bad boy open. Really cute. I love how it does like the little ombre thing on both sides here. Nothing else specific on the box. Ooh! And the pencil looks very similar to the box, which is really cool because I love that color mix that it has going there. So you have the purple that fades into the white, or the white that fades into the purple. And it says HAZE Smoky Eye Pencil, which is pretty nice. It's very dark. Oh, but we're a purple and we go on creamy. Ooh, you probably can't see it too well because I only did a little line, but wait. Okay, so it is a Pinot Noir color, but it's a purple, which is very beautiful. I really like that color. I like that. And I'm assuming because you're gel-ish and you're a smoky eye pencil that it's going to be easy for me to smear you. Yeah. Very easily smeared, which is still pretty okay if that's what you're going for, especially if you're a smoky eye pencil. And most of it comes off without water or anything. That's pretty cool. And that's everything. That was really quick. That's everything for my Boxycharm box for the month of May. This is all the products I got in my Boxycharm box for the month of May. Pretty good. Very simple. Not as grand as they normally are, I guess I could say. But still pretty nice. I think out of all these products, I can use them all. I don't think this is the first one of the year that I can do that with, but that's pretty surprising, especially for a Boxycharm. I usually only get up to like 3 items I would use. But out of this box, I would definitely use all of them. I love the color of the pencil. The concealer, I'm a little, but I think it will work. I could make it work no matter what. The eye serum, same. I just have to be consistent with my skincare, which is a work in progress. If I ever reach for my hot hair tools, heat protectant spray is a must. So it's going to be either this one or the, what is the other thing I have? It's like a Fox something, whatever it is. I love it. It smells great. And then the brushes you can use every day. So 5 out of 5. Very nice. I am impressed. I like my Boxycharm box for this month. And the theme is kind of cute. I don't see how these are very flowery. I believe like the color of the packaging is pretty flowery, so we can go with that. That's not a problem. But yeah, overall for the month of May for my Boxycharm, I'm happy. This is good. It's a little weird that everything went so smoothly for me, to be honest, but it's still pretty good. Let me know if you got the same items in your Boxycharm. Did you like everything? Was it as small and compact as my box was, or did you get a lot more grand items? Like normally you get like face creams in a jar or like a tub of whatever, you know. It's a bit more that we normally receive, in my opinion. But I like this. Thumbs up, kudos, bravo, I like it. I'm gonna let you go so I can play with some of this. I'm gonna see if I can take out those brushes and mix them in with the brushes I already have, make them right at home, right off the bat. So I will catch you next time. Remember, Thursday and Sunday. Bye!